Hello, my name is Madison, and I am a financial analyst at Equitest. I'm excited to show you how our business valuation software can help you take your valuations to the next level. Are you looking for a better way to provide accurate business valuations to your clients, while also saving time and improving your workflow? Great news! Today, I am excited to share some excellent updates with you. Our powerful business valuation software can help you streamline your process, reduce errors, and achieve your business valuation goals more effectively. So buckle up and get ready to see how our software can transform the way you do business valuations. Join me as we explore the key features and benefits of our software that cater to all professionals who require accurate business valuations and financial analysis, including business appraisers, accountants, tax advisors, financial analysts, and other valuation service providers. Whether you're evaluating your own business or working with clients, our software can provide you with the tools you need to make informed decisions and improve your valuations. Generate custom reports efficiently. With our software, you can generate detailed reports tailored to your business or client's needs with ease. Whether you require a comprehensive report containing extensive financial analysis or a shorter overview of the valuation, our software streamlines the process. Best of all, you can produce these reports in under 30 minutes and market them for thousands of dollars. Once you've generated your report, you can easily export it as a PDF or Word document. This means you can make any necessary edits or customizations before sharing it with your client. With our software, you'll have the flexibility to create reports that meet your client's unique needs, while also saving time and improving your workflow. Boost your productivity. Our software is designed to work seamlessly with other tools you may already be using, like Excel, QuickBooks, and Xero. This integration allows you to streamline your workflow and avoid duplicating effort, ultimately helping you save time and maximize your efficiency. Automate industry analysis. Our software simplifies the process of analyzing a company's industry by automatically sourcing growth rate estimates from leading economic research companies. This not only saves you time, but also ensures accuracy in your analysis. Comprehensively analyze your financials. With our software, you can easily perform a range of financial analyses to gain a deep understanding of your business's financial health. Our automated analysis includes vertical and horizontal analysis of balance sheets and profit and loss reports, as well as liquidity, profitability, solvency, and efficiency ratios, and even the Altman Z-score. Plus, our software calculates essential financial metrics, such as DLOM, giving you a complete picture of your financial situation. Optimize valuation method selection. Our software offers 6 different valuation methods, giving you the flexibility to evaluate any business, whether it's a startup or an established company. The best part is that our wizard can automatically recommend the best method based on the life stage of the company. Count on our team-backed support. We understand that sometimes you may have questions or need additional support when using our software. That's why we offer comprehensive customer support to ensure you have the best experience possible. Our team is always available to answer any questions you may have about the valuation notations or provide technical assistance if needed. We're here to back you up and help you get the most out of our software. Now that you have learned about the powerful features and benefits of our software, you may be wondering how it all comes together. To help you better understand how our software works, let me walk you through some screenshots of the software. You'll see firsthand how easy it is to efficiently generate customized reports, automate industry analysis and growth rate, and conduct comprehensive financial analyses with just a few clicks. And remember, if you have any questions or need technical support, our team is always here to assist you. In the first section, we can input general data about the company, including its industry, location, and other relevant information. Along with this, we have the option to choose from 6 different valuation methods or request a recommendation from the software based on the company's life stage. Additionally, we can send an Excel file to the customer to fill in the necessary data and then import it directly into the software for convenience. Next, we move on to the Founder section, where we add information about the company's founders. This can include details such as their background, experience, and role in the company. Following that, we proceed to the Market section, where we describe the market and its trends. Here, we can use the software's automated financial analysis of the industry to gain insights and information about the market. We can also add details about the company's main products, customers, and suppliers. The fourth section is the financial data part, where we can input the balance sheet and profit and loss statements. Our software allows you to input up to 3 statements and provides multiple ways to do so: manual input, import from an Excel file, or direct import from QuickBooks or Xero. This feature makes it easy to input your financial data, no matter what format it is in. The Parameters section provides the user with a range of relevant parameters necessary for the valuation process. These parameters include variables such as interest rates, earning multiples, sales multiples, and other important financial metrics that are specific to the country and industry of the company being evaluated. Our software automatically populates the relevant parameters based on the industry and country inputted in the General Data section. However, users also have the option to manually input their own parameters if they prefer to use different values. This level of customization ensures that the valuation accurately reflects the specific circumstances of the company being evaluated, making our software a highly flexible and reliable tool for any business owner or financial professional. The next 3 sections depend on the valuation method the user chooses. These sections are the DCF, asset-based valuation, and Berkus method valuation. In the DCF part, the user will be provided with expected growth rates based on the products they have entered in the Market section. These rates are generated from research publications by established companies. The user can then input various parameters, such as the discount rate and terminal value, to calculate the company's net present value. The asset-based valuation section, on the other hand, involves determining the company's net asset value by subtracting its liabilities from its assets. The user can adjust the value of the assets based on their condition or market value. Finally, in the Berkus valuation section, the user can input data related to the company's progress and milestones. The software will then use these data points to estimate the company's overall value. These 3 sections, when combined with the General, Founder, Market, and Financial Data sections, provide a comprehensive and accurate valuation report. The last section is the Valuation Report, which provides a comprehensive overview of the company's valuation. The report includes both the comprehensive and short reports, which summarize the valuation results in an easy-to-read format. The comprehensive report includes detailed information about the company's financials, market analysis, and valuation methods used. It also provides an in-depth explanation of the assumptions made in the valuation process, including the discount rate and terminal value. The short report, on the other hand, presents a condensed version of the comprehensive report, highlighting the key valuation metrics and conclusions. In addition to the reports, the valuation report also includes graphs and charts that help to visualize the company's financial performance and valuation results. These include charts of the company's historical financial performance, as well as projections of future financial performance based on the chosen valuation method. Overall, the valuation report provides a clear and detailed picture of the company's value, enabling stakeholders to make informed decisions about investment, financing, and other strategic actions. Now that you have seen what our software looks like in action, Let's hear from some of our satisfied customers who have used it to enhance their financial analysis and business valuations.
I recently used Equitest to generate a business valuation report for my company. The process was incredibly easy and user-friendly. With the help of their AI-driven algorithm, I was able to accurately assess the net worth of my business. The report was accurate and gave me valuable insights into the financial performance of my company. The industry experts behind the software are highly knowledgeable. I highly recommend Equitest for anyone looking to get a quick and accurate assessment of their business. It saved me so much time and effort in creating an investor-ready financial model and plan for my startup.
We understand that every business is unique, and your needs may vary based on your size, industry, and other factors. That is why we offer personalized solutions that address your specific pain points and challenges. Whether you need training, customization, or ongoing support, we are here to help. If you are interested in learning more about Equitest's business valuation software, we encourage you to take the next step. You can schedule a follow-up meeting to discuss your specific needs, or you can sign up for a trial of the software to see how it works for yourself. We are confident that our software can help you make better, data-driven decisions for your business, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you. So don't hesitate to contact us today and take the first step towards improving your financial analysis and valuation.